We'll guide you through how to use Trello templates effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the home page where you'll see a Templates tab at the top of the screen. Click on it to explore a wide variety of pre-made templates that Trello offers. These templates are organized by category, like marketing, sales, personal, and more, so you can easily find what fits your needs. Scroll through the options or use the search bar at the top to look for a specific type of template. When you find one you like, click on it to view more details. You'll see a description of what the template is designed for, along with a preview of the lists and cards included. If it looks like a good fit, hit the green Use Template button on the right-hand side. This will create a new board in your workspace based on the template. You can then customize this board by renaming it, adjusting the lists, and adding or modifying cards to suit your project. Remember, you can also share this board with your team by inviting members using their email addresses or Trello usernames. This makes collaboration easier and helps everyone stay on the same page. Finally, feel free to tweak the template to better fit your workflow. You can add due dates, labels, checklists, and even power-ups for additional functionality. Using Trello templates can save you a lot of time and keep your projects organized right from the start. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.